Here I have Poco X5, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you have to open File Manager, so you can transfer images, videos, docs, music, APKs, Bluetooth and downloads, archives and even more. So let's transfer, for example, these pictures. So what you have to do is to select them, then select if you want to move them or if you want to copy them. Then go to the SD card, select folder where you want to copy them, for example to pictures, and tap paste. And now you can find these pictures like here on your SD card. Wait. Switch from the internal storage to SD card here. Go to pictures and here you can find them. So yeah. And in internal storage too. Here they are. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.